Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, here in this sign you will search about PayPal and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.